Welcome to the medium and air flight. Drone radar, 9:30 am. Altitude 102 meter. Wind force 4. Temperature 3 degrees Celsius. Location: Vogelwaarde, School Street, the Netherlands. Vogelwaarde Village, the Netherlands, of average 2,000 inhabitants, belongs to the municipality of Hulst, in the province of Zeeland. Straight ahead at 5 kilometers distance, the Western Scheldt. This is the sailing route between the North Sea and the port of Antwerp. Terneuzen is an important passage. Antwerp is by car only 47 kilometers from Vogelwaarde. Mediamen Air will do exciting drone flights in 2021. Stay connected for exciting drone adventures. See you soon.